Some journeys are not about ticking destinations. They are about how you feel when you return. Bhutan is peace. Prayer flags in the wind, monasteries on mountain cliffs, sacred mask dances telling stories centuries old. When you stand here, something shifts. The noise fades, the air feels lighter, and you begin to slow down. The climate is gentle, the people are warm, and life feels simple again, like it was meant to be. This summer, join our 6 nights, 7 days curated group departure. Flights, hotels, meals, guide, permits, all thoughtfully taken care of. Join us in May 2026. Departures from major Indian cities. Bhutan is quiet and it stays with you.